Alright, baby's first snow day, January 29th, 2014. Although we have not yet been out in the snow,
What do I need pen for now?
we do have on the requisite velour sweatsuits. We're gearing up, going outside. You ready for the snow, baby?
I can't believe my mother.
You ready for the snow?
This is where you need to
Snow?
You have to talk to her. Come on, let's go. You and me.
Still talking. You're the one who told me who he is. You're the one who stole my permanent records.
Okay.
Hi.
It's a dead end.
Hi.
Snow baby?
Suppose you're here for the condoms.
Who is it? Who's coming?
They want her 5.
Hi, Adrian.
Yep.